Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra. I am so glad you joined me today. I know how much everybody loves these unboxings with ThredUp, and I'm excited because I do believe the one that I got today is the shoes. And then I have another one that is men's clothing coming in. So, you guys, in a moment, we're going to get right to it. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Sandra. If you're new here, welcome. If you are joining us again or have subscribed already, thank you so much for your support and for the likes on our videos. We're so excited to have you guys come along with us. I'm excited today. We sell on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Depop, and we've got things listed on Facebook Marketplace. We've got a ThredUp shoe unboxing today, and I'm anxious to see what we got. Now this came from, let me see here if I can read this. This came from Georgia, and I'm excited to see what we got. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to put the box down and get right to it. Now I have to tell you, I've been loving these ThredUp boxes. I switched the kind of boxes that I was doing. I was doing some of the mixed clothing boxes, but I was finding that I was not as pleased with some of the items that I was getting. And I switched to the shoes. One of my ThredUp shoe boxes is already paid for itself, and the other one is on its way. And we've just been so happy. We have been selling more and more shoes, which we're absolutely thrilled about. Between the ThredUp unboxings and getting shoes at the thrift store, I've also sold several shoes that I got at Goodwill a few weeks ago. Men's and women's shoes. We've been selling boots. We've been selling sandals. So I'm super excited, you guys, to see what we have here. As we know, we always have this. I believe this was the 15-piece. And let me see. Yes, $80. So my normal, I believe it's like just over $5 a pair or something. So let's dive in. I am so anxious to see what we got. Yay. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy these shoe unboxings as much as I do. Oh, I'm so happy with what I'm seeing already, you guys. Alrighty. Let me see here. The first pair that I see here, and they look to be in really good condition, are Converse. Converse, I've heard, sells super great. This is a size 7, and the sole actually looks in really good condition. There's a little bit of dirt on the white, so we will take a look at that. But you guys, these just look. I mean, look at the soles. They look to be in really great condition, maybe worn a few times. These look great. I'm super excited to get those listed. Very cool. Let's see what we have next. I'm so glad you all are along with us. Okay, so I am not sure. These look like they are literally brand spanking new. And I'm not sure what brand this is. Let me show you. It's a fabric sandal with sparklies on it, and they literally look brand spanking new. If you guys know what this brand is, I hope you can see it. Can you see that? Please let me know what this brand is. I would love to learn from you what this is. These are a size 9, I believe. And they're both in, let me see here, what looks to be, okay, so this one has a little bit of something on it, so we'll see if we can get that off. But these literally look like brand new. And that's perfect for, obviously, the season coming up. So super excited about those. Let's see what else we have going on here. Everlane. Really cute black flats. Again, look to be in really great condition. Great for summertime. The size, let's take a look. These have been worn a little bit, but not bad. And I'm not seeing a size anywhere. I'm still trying to learn sometimes where the sizes are on shoes. Okay, these are a size 10. But just obviously these are fabric. Just look to be really comfortable, perfect for summertime. Let's see what else we have. Oh my goodness. These are bright pink. Pumps that are by Aldo. These are a size, you see it's on the bottom. It says 37. These look, they definitely have some wear on the soles. But you know what? Again, with spring and summer and weddings coming up, these are great. So we will get those going. Okay, this is Zara Shoes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am excited to comp these. These are really cute. I'm hoping these might list for 30 or 35. And they have somewhere, this is size 38, Zara Basic. But look at these flats, you guys. Really cute. The little tassels. So there's those. Very, very awesome. And let's see what else we have here. Okay, so Piccolinos. I've never heard of that before. And let's see here. I don't know if these are leather. Let's take a look and see if we can find any information. Guys, these actually look almost brand new. They have been worn. There's a little bit of wear on the toe. I'm not seeing a size. Yeah, these have been worn a little bit, but they look to be in great condition. They buckle in the back. So there's those. They have the really cool studding. So again, these are great for the season coming up. And I'm not seeing a size. So I will have to look into those and figure those out. The next we have here is Piccolinos again. I'm going to have to price check these because I'm honestly not sure. I've never heard of that brand before, so I'm going to have to comp these. I don't know. These are a size 40. Really nice boots. They look to be in good condition. They've got the thing here. They've got a tag here that says Poconos and then here. And these have been worn, but they look to be actually in pretty good condition. A little bit of wear, but not too bad. So there's those. Okay. And next, oops, pulling out two pairs at one time. This is Unisa. I have never heard of that before either. These are suede and they definitely have some dirt. If you guys can recommend a great suede cleaner for shoes, that would be really awesome. These are a size 6.5. Again though, a great shoe for like weddings or for springtime. I'm going to see if I can get these cleaned up a little bit. I'm not sure how much these will go for with that on there because they definitely got something on them. So we'll have to look at those. And then I am just looking around for the match, but we'll just go ahead and go with what I see up top here. Some Sam Edelman. I've already sold some Sam Edelman. These are black with some wear. Size 6 strappy shoe. Pretty good condition. A little bit of wear, but not bad. So very cute. Perfect. And next we have some slides. A New Day. Size 8. Great for summertime coming up. And they look to be in pretty good condition. The bottoms look pretty good. And the insides actually look really good. If these have been worn, they weren't much. Even the toes barely have anything on them. So yeah, we'll definitely list those for 20 to 25 and see what those do. Let's see what else we got. Some more sandals. Okay, so these are Earth Origin. And they have them snapped together. I've never heard of this brand either, so I will definitely do some research on these. These, guys, these look possibly brand new. There is no wear on the soles, and the shoes look really good. There's the brand, and they both look really good. So, again, a great pair for summertime. So I'm excited to call up those and see how those do. Okay, you guys, these are Brighton footwear. These do have wear on the soles, but if you look at it, so far as I'm looking at it, let me look here. I can't tell if that's the detail. Okay, that's the detail of the shoe. I was looking at this trying to make sure that it wasn't cracking, but I think that is actual detail of the shoe. And look at the front, how pretty that is. And these are a size 9. These are by Oh, this is like maybe the sub-brand is Fiona, but it's Brighton. So I'm excited to get these listed and see how those do. Okay, so I think, yeah, we'll do these next. So we have some more boots. And these are Dolce Vita. I've never heard that brand before. I'm going to show you the one first because they're really long. And the back has this stitching, really pretty stitching. These are obviously over the knee. So I'm excited to see what these comp for. Let me see here. They actually look to be in really good condition. I'm looking for a size. Let's see if we can find a size. Dolce Vita, I don't know if that's like a really expensive brand. You guys, if you know anything about Dolce Vita, these feel like they're good shoes. I'm trying to see if I can find the size on these, but they look to be a decent size. Let me see here. I don't want to take up too much of your time here. Let's see if it's on the inside of this one, because they do look to be not small. And it's just hard. I'll have to look these up, but you know what? They look like they have been worn, but they just look like they're in really good condition. Really cute. I'm hoping, depending on the comps, to list these, I don't know, maybe for 40 or 50. Again, I have to figure out with that brand what those run for. Okay, 2 pairs left, y'all. Okay, this one is another really cute one by Blau. Gosh, it's hard to read these. What's on the back too? I don't know if you can see that. Probably can't see that very well because it's actually blended in. Blowfish, maybe? But it's got, oh, it's on the back too. Yeah, Blowfish. Really cute boots. With the side zipper, and on this side, it has the out cut, and then the buckle goes into the middle. And these have been worn. They're a size, it looks like a 9, but they look to be in pretty good condition. So there's those. Okay, those are cute. Okay, and the last pair, y'all. Okay, these are Reaction by Kenneth Cole. They are a size 6.5. These are a pretty color. Again, I'm going to double check the condition here. These do have, it looks like some wear on them. So I don't know. I guess might wear into wedding. But these are just really kind of pretty. It's kind of a creamy pink color. They definitely show some signs of wear, but not too bad. So there's those, you guys. So that is the shoe ThredUp haul. I really hope you enjoyed this. Again, you guys, if you have thoughts on the shoes that I was talking about for brands, that would be so amazing. I just always love all y'all's feedback on that. Guys, I'm so glad you joined us for this ThredUp haul. And I will get this posted in the next couple of days, so look out for that. As well as, again, the hauls that we did today and the haul we did yesterday. And then again, we will do the what sold on Monday. So we've got a few videos coming up. And then when the men's box comes in, we'll do that one too. The last couple of days has been a little bit slower in sales. So I'm hoping that over the weekend we'll get more sales. But we have had some good sales this week too. So stay tuned for that. Guys, I hope you have a really great Friday and a great weekend. And guys, until next time, take care and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.